Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of fontbundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to be talking about how to unzip your fonts on your iPad. For this tutorial, you will need the Any Font app from the App Store. If you go ahead and navigate over to your App Store icon, use the search bar at the top to search for any font. Type in ANYFONT. As soon as you find the app, just go ahead and install it if you do not currently have it on your iPad. Okay, now once that installs, we're going to go ahead and go to Safari and open our Font Bundles account. Click on your account name and then click Purchases. You're going to find the bundle you want to download and click the TTF or OTF on that bundle. Go ahead and click to open in any fonts and then click on the font name which you want to install. Click the icon for the fonts and then you'll just follow the prompts, allow and install, next, and once again click install. And now your font is installed on your iPad. You'll go back and repeat for any and all fonts that you want to install. You see they are all available here on the Any Font app, so just go through to each one that you want to have available for your other apps to use. All right, guys, I hope that this was an easy to follow tutorial explaining exactly how to install your fonts from fontbundles.net onto your iPad. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and also hit subscribe to be notified of future tutorials as they are released. Have an amazing day and we will see you back on the channel soon.